Welcome to Computerized Screening. Today we're going to be reviewing the 9K Virtual eClinic. Let's get started. The 9K Virtual eClinic has two entry points. To begin, touch the screen. The Virtual eClinic can be accessed with a MAG card that can be provided by CSI or the customer. The MagStrip card reader also reads credit cards for purchases. You may also use the MagStrip card reader to make a payment with a credit card. In order to provide a signature, you can sign the electronic signature pad. For example, a signature may be required to release your records to a physician or to agree to a consent form. To set up your personal health record, start by touching New User. Follow the simple on-screen instructions. Your personal health record is with you for life, and it is a valuable tool for you to use on a daily basis. You will need to establish your personal health record on the kiosk, as you will do some non-invasive tests to set up a baseline. Place your arm in the cuff as shown on the screen. Take a couple of deep breaths and press the start button. Remain seated and breathe normally. Do not speak or move while the machine is taking your test. During the test, when the blood pressure cuff is inflated, it compresses the major artery in the arm. It cuts off the sound of flowing blood heard within a stethoscope. As the cuff deflates, it releases pressure on the arm. The moment when blood flowing is first heard gives the first blood pressure number. The second number is obtained when the sound disappears. CSI blood pressure test measures 60,000 heart impressions during the test. Press the release button to immediately cancel the test at any time. Clean the temperature probe before beginning the test. Place the probe on the forehead. Touch the start button on the screen. Make sure the probe is flat and on the forehead, not at an angle. Your results will appear shortly. Sit erect in the middle of the seat. Please remove any heavy items including coats and sweaters. Place your feet on the footrest below the seat. Touch the start button on the screen to begin the test. Place your hands in your lap and remain still until the test is completed. Please wipe down your finger and the pulse oximeter before beginning any tests. Place your index finger in the sensor, press Start Test to begin test. Remain quiet and still until the test is completed. Telemedicine is becoming a part of the future. The Virtual eClinic offers the ability for an employee or patient to connect with a remote physician. CSI has integrated technology that provides a turnkey solution for supporting a complete patient, provider, and payer benefit experience. Employees, physicians, nurse call centers, assisted living centers are all embarking on this new trend. They are finding this to be a much-needed tool when it comes to helping employees or patients manage their health. Additionally, they're able to connect in real time to review the employee or patient record and make a recommendation. The 9K Virtual eClinic provides plenty of branding opportunities. The flat panel 32-inch TV screen has branding as well as advertising opportunities. When these units are placed in a work site, we encourage the CEO of the company to be a part of the wellness program and have a promotional piece on the flat panel TV. The complete outside of the Virtual eClinic can be branded. Companies use this opportunity to promote their health and wellness programs as well as their company name. Each kiosk is customized to our client's specific needs and wants, so not all security features or all testing devices are on the unit. This is a great resourceful tool to look up medications, diagnosis, and other health-related topics that come up. These video segments are each 30 to 45 seconds long and cover a variety of health topics. To watch a video, touch the Health Video button. Select a category. Select a video. Using the touchscreen, you can turn the volume up or down. You can also pick up the telephone and listen to the video in private. The 9K Virtual eClinic now has an extended cabinet with invasive tests. CSI has added a cabinet that is directly located within the 9K Virtual eClinic. This cabinet has tests that can be completed with an attendant, assistant, pharmacist, nurse, or any other healthcare provider. The stethoscope may be used during a telehealth encounter. This device is used to listen to the patient's lungs and heart. The dermoscope may be used during a telehealth encounter. This device is used to show the telehealth doctor skin lesions, cuts, and wounds. The otoscope may be used during a telehealth encounter. This device is used to look in the ears, nose, and upper throat of the patient. In some cases, a telehealth provider may request some additional tests that the virtual eClinic is able to provide with an attendant, assistant, pharmacist, nurse, or other healthcare provider. They are cholesterol with glucose, A1C, and PT-INR ratio testing. This is a fingerstick test that must be done with an assistant. This test should be done with a patient that has been fasting. Once the sample is collected, it will be read by the CholesTech machine. Your results will appear on the screen. You will be able to go over these results with your telehealth physician, or you can print them out and take them with you to your healthcare provider. This is a fingerstick test that must be done with an assistant. This device is used to diagnose prediabetes, diabetes type 1, and diabetes type 2. Once a sample is collected, it will be read by the Infineon machine, and your results will appear on the screen. You will be able to go over these results with your telehealth physician, or you can print them out and take them to your healthcare provider. This is a fingerstick test that must be done with an assistant. This is a special test for patients that are on blood thinners. The sample will be read by the PT-IN ratio machine, and your results will appear on the screen. You will be able to go over these results with the telehealth physician, or you can print them out and take them with you to your healthcare provider. To print any tests or documents, touch the print button on the screen. The printouts will appear shortly. When using the kiosk, you might have a question. Look for the help button on the screen. Thank you for stopping by to learn about Computerized Screening's 9K Virtual eClinic. This concludes our overview.